as you guys can tell, my hair was never like this. Consistency is always key. When you do stuff over time, it pays off. And I think because I've used this routine for so long, I think it's finally paid off. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a routine that has helped me gain so much length over the years. And these are the things that I've been doing. I have never changed my routine. I tweak it a little bit, but I never change it. For the most part, it is simple, and I'm going to take you through exactly what I do and why I do it. So the first thing I want to say when it comes to my routine is I never miss a pre-poo. It's the first step that I do. So pre-poo is pre-shampoo. It's something that you apply before you do your shampoo. It's kind of like preparing your hair for moisture. What do I use? I use coconut oil for the most part of my journey, and recently I have changed it up a little bit in terms of the oil that I use, and I'm now using almond oil. So that one, we'll talk about it in other videos, because that's something that I have changed recently, because coconut oil is not doing the same things that it used to do a few years ago. I don't know why, but my hair is not reacting the way I want it to react. So when I pre-poo, I use an oil. I don't use a conditioner. I tried that, but I felt like that's residual product, to be honest. But what I do is I use an oil. Light oils are best oils when it comes to pre-poo, so I don't use anything heavy. I don't use shea butter, all those kind of things, because my hair cannot take it. That's step number one on my routine. I never miss it. Every single time I have to wash my hair, I have to pre-poo first. After I pre-pooed, I do shampoo. I use a clarifying shampoo, a shampoo that doesn't strip off my moisture. Cream of Nature is my go-to shampoo. It's really moisturizing and it cleans my scalp. So the best thing about shampoos, if you're trying to look for a shampoo, is just look for a shampoo that does the job. Really, what you want is a shampoo that's gonna clean your scalp, clean your hair, all the dirt and all the buildup, all the grease, anything that you apply on your scalp. And what I do when I'm shampooing is I concentrate it on my scalp. I don't put it on the rest of my hair. I used to do that before because I didn't know what I was doing, but right now I only apply it on my scalp, and when I do that, I rinse it out and my shampoo is done. The next thing that I do on my routine, and I do not miss, and it has helped me tremendously when it comes to hair growth and healthy hair, is deep conditioning. I can miss other steps, but not deep conditioning. I cannot miss it, and I'm telling you, do not miss that if you want to grow healthy long hair. And I always deep condition for about 20 minutes, depends on the deep conditioner, or an hour. Yes, I am those people who deep condition for an hour, because really, whether you keep it on, whether you remove it, it's just kind of does the same thing. So it's not like when you keep it on for a long period of time you get the best benefits. I think you probably get the same benefits. Also, another thing that I do not miss on my routine, and it's very, very important because of these beneficial factors, that's my green tea rinse. I've talked about tea rinses maybe once or twice on my channel. I'm going to emphasize that I still do the same thing. I do green tea rinse, black tea rinse every after washing up my deep conditioner and my hair is clean. I put on my green tea rinse, and then I keep it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I wash it out. That's usually my last step, rinsing out the tea rinse after keeping it for 15 to 20 minutes. So I don't experience a lot of shedding because of the tea rinses. All these are important because you cannot moisturize your hair on dirty hair. So you do need to, all these things that I've talked about before. But when it comes to moisture, I like to keep it simple. So I like to use a leave-in conditioner and grease, or a leave-in conditioner and an oil. Not so much of butters, because I have come to realize that I have fine hair, and what it does is that it loves some light oil, light things, and I have an opportunity to re-moisturize if my hair dries out. And another thing I like to use when it comes to moisture is using humectant. So like aloe vera gel, glycerin, to moisturize my hair because it helps me retain a lot of moisture for a long period of time. And because I don't moisturize my hair every single day, I like to use a humectant to kind of help me attract moisture and not lose moisture. I need a really good sealant to curb the dryness, and grease has been an amazing thing, and also a light oil. So something like avocado oil, almond oil, or jojoba oil, those are great for my hair type. When I am doing all the steps that I've just mentioned, I am not manipulating my hair. For the most part, I'm just using my fingers to run through my hair as I apply these products. But what I don't do is brush my hair or comb my hair when I am shampooing, pre-pooing, and deep conditioning. I don't use any comb or any brush. When I use a comb or a brush is when I am styling my hair, which is when I'm doing my leave-in conditioner and grease. That's when I do use my fingers to run through my hair, and I use a comb and a brush. You guys have seen me do that, and I try to stretch out my hair a little bit before I braid it, which is my next step when it comes to my routine. I tend to go easy on the style or a protective style that I do after I moisturize my hair. Immediately after I wash my hair, I just want to give it a break. The best way I like to do that is to put my hair into 4 big chunky braids. They're not tight, they're just braids. I will leave it for about 5 days before I take them down. And when I do take them down, which is the following week, I will wear my hair in a braid out rest of the week, and then I do my wash day again. So how often do I do this routine? Before, at the beginning of my journey, I was washing my hair every week, once a week, every week, which would probably be on Sundays or Saturdays, depends. But that's when I used to wash my hair. But now I realize I don't necessarily need to wash my hair every week. So what I do, I go 2 weeks before I have to wash my hair or you do this routine. The best way to go about it is I wash my hair every after 2 weeks. My hair has been absolutely amazing. It's growing, you guys can tell. I'm not obsessed with products, and I bet that's why my hair has grown this long. And I think that if you are planning on growing your natural hair or cutting off your hair, or you're thinking, how am I gonna go about it? I don't have products. I used to think like that when I was starting out. I thought maybe if I had the right products, or if I had products, it wasn't even about whether I had the right products. I didn't know what it was, but it was just more of like, if I had products, then I would achieve my hair goal, or my hair would be more manageable. But what I've come to realize is that products are key, fine. I don't think for me they're the main thing, because we can use our natural products or our herbs or Ayurvedic, our like nature kind of things, and our hair would be okay. That products are great, but I don't want your hair or your hair journey to be dependent on the products. So that's why I don't necessarily invest a lot of my time talking about the products that I use, because they're just ordinary products. I just think that it's just the techniques that I use, how I handle my hair, how I simplify my hair journey and my hair routine. Those things have helped me grow my hair. So that's how I have grown my hair this long, using this routine. I want you to comment down below and tell me what you think about this routine. I want to hear what you do, and I want to see if it's any different from what I'm doing, or is there something that I can actually do that could be very helpful to me moving forward. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're my OG, like you've been here with me since my hair was this short, I salute you. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.